Today, from Japan, it's stir-fried udon noodles with teriyaki chicken. Super easy and can be on your table in under 30 minutes. So let's get started. As promised last week, we have another use for the homemade teriyaki sauce and chicken that we made last week. I'll include links to both the homemade teriyaki sauce and the teriyaki chicken later in this video. So first, let's take some hot water. It does not have to be boiling water, just very hot. And open the package of noodles. The noodles are very sticky at this point, as you can see. Once you get them out of the package, get them in the water, give them a stir. This loosens them up. The thing I like best about these noodles is that they're shelf stable, and all they need to be is warmed up for a minute or two in hot water to loosen the starch and get them unstuck from one another. And that's it. Your noodles are ready to go. It's just that simple. Set them aside in a colander to drain. And now, in a pan with some hot oil, add some sliced red peppers or the pepper of your choice and some broccoli. This dish is very versatile and you can use any variety of vegetable that you choose to. Just give them a toss or stir them for about 2-3 minutes until the vegetables that you're using are tender. Since I finally decided to use the Amazon affiliate program that I joined a couple months ago, I've given you an Amazon link in the description to check out the noodles as well as some of the other equipment that I'm currently using. And yes, if you do choose to make a purchase after viewing this link, I could receive a small commission for that. And now back to the main event for the evening. After these 2 or 3 minutes, once your vegetables have softened, you can toss in the drained noodles. Give them a toss or a stir and allow them to fry in the pan for 2 or 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. I added at the last minute a few slices of orange pepper just for a little different texture and a little added color. Now add your homemade teriyaki sauce. The link is above. Or add your favorite store brand if you'd like. Stir and toss the noodles, coating the sauce for about 1 minute until the noodles are warmed through and completely coated with the sauce. Of course, there was an escapee, but fear not. I used it as a taste test, so the sacrifice was not in vain. And it tasted perfect, so I didn't need to make any adjustments to the seasoning. And there you have it. Stir-fried udon noodles with your own homemade teriyaki sauce. And just as a bonus, we topped it with some teriyaki chicken. The link to that video is above. Thank you for watching, and please check out these other videos.